Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how we can disable Google Custom Search from Chrome. The first step that we can do here is basically go to the search box, search icon at the bottom, and search for Internet Options. And then press Enter on your keyboard. So as you can see right here, you want to go to Connections, and then go to Local Area Network Settings or LAN Settings and click the button. And as you can see here, you just need to uncheck this proxy server. So if it's checked, you just need to uncheck this one. Then click OK. Now the issue is fixed. Now another way here is by going to your settings on your Chrome. So open up your Chrome, three dots, then go to settings, and then go to search engine. And then here, just need to click on manage search engines and site search. And as you can see, the custom search is the default value. So go to that Google default or basically any of the search engine site and just have to click on the three dots and click on make default. Now, if it's not still working, then basically you just have to remove all the unnecessary extensions on your Chrome right here and you can toggle it off. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.